Stay calm. Nobody gets hurt.
10-4, Townsville.
To arrest them, ask the officer to take 2 police cars and come to the bank immediately.
We just wanted to prove no one's beyond the reach of justice.
A bustling bank filled with anxious customers. Alice, a confident and ruthless female bandit, pushes through the crowd, barking orders.
So, what made you ladies think you could get away with it?
Started first things first, we need a story of our movie. Go to Google and search gravitywrite.com. That can help us write any content we need to use. Click Start Writing. Now they want to create an account. You can sign in with your Google account. Click Filmmaking tool. Choose here your movie script category and duration. Type you want, create a movie script title. Click Create Content. Script is created. Now we want a great prompt code to create AI images. First, copy the script. Go to iMage Generation Prompts. Choose the category and paste your movie script. Touch Create Prompt. Done. Your prompt codes are generated. You can use any other website to generate AI images. I recommended midjourney.ai or playground.ai. Today I will generate images for using getimg.ai. You can log in with your Google account. Touch Advanced, change your image resolution size. Go back Gravity Write and copy the prompt code. Paste the code in here. Touch Generate Image button. Images are generating. You can download image in here with JPG or PNG type. Now you can generate all images one by one. Go to Google and search runway. Go to website. Try to free. Touch Start with image. Click Upload button and upload you created AI image. Touch Generate for second. Your video is creating. You can download video in this download icon. Now you can upload images one by one and generate video clips. Search 11 Lab website. Copy the dialogue paragraph. Paste in here. Now you can view different type of voices. Choose a matching voice you want. After you done, touch Generate button.
A bustling bank filled with anxious customers. Alice, a confident and ruthless female bandit, pushes through the crowd, barking orders.
Touch the download icon to download a voice. Search and go to Lalamu Studio website. Let's start. First upload, we created video clip with using Runway website. Touch add new audio. Now upload, we generated voice. Touch generate lip sync video.
A bustling bank filled with anxious customers. Alice, a confident and ruthless female bandit, pushes through the crowd.
Right-click and save as to download your video. Go to Google and search filmmaking.ai. Touch iTools and go Video Quality Enhancer. Now upload your lip sync video one by one. Download the video in this download icon. Go to Google and search Pixabay website. In the site include copyright-free musics and sound effects. Right, you want to search sound effect. Change the category to sound effect. You can now see many of sound effects. You can download the one you like from this. You can also search for a cinematic background sound and get a suitable background music for the movie. Finally, we want merge our all clips and create a single video. You can use any other online video editing websites or softwares. Today I will try to edit my video with using CapCut PC. Import we created all clips, sound effects, and background musics. Drag and drop the videos according to the script. Attach the sound effects related to the video clips separately. Add the background music. Add things like animation text to video clips as you want and make the video beautiful. Finally, click the Export button. Give a name to the project and save it.